What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Five Below and I want to start here with some new jewelry that was placed over here. These are just $3.25 monogram necklaces. These bracelets look really cute. We have A through T. A through T. Super cute. Again, $3.25. And I always like to see if we have any new lip balms. Sweet Peach Sickle is definitely new by EOS for $4.99. We have this super tiny $2.25 Vaselines in 3 different flavors. These are for your lips. If you guys missed my last video, look at this. You guys could get this for $2, or if you want to get a specific flavor, these are $2.25. But if you missed my last video, I showed all the travel size, trial size items, and the entire clearance here in this wraparound area. There's a lot of deals. Definitely don't sleep on Five Below's clearance. But let's see what else we have. Let's look over here. They're always adding new self-care items, new nails, new makeup items. Aloe infused for $4.25. Okay, what about this? This is $4.25 and so cute. Look at this. So cute. It's a cute little nail kit. She has that girl boss hustle. I love that. Okay, Barely Blue. These are press-ons for $3.25. Manicure-all, okay. Automatic glass nail file. We have USB UV lights in white, also in pink. We have $5 little like filing tools. The little stamp sets are $4.25. All sorts of different nail tools and skincare tools. These are the blackhead and whitehead extractors. I think these are new since last time. So pretty. Pretty for fall. Also these. These are just $5. The faux. These are all just $5. They come with glue, they come in the kit, and each kit contains 24 nails. These are pretty. Let's see if we have anything new over here. Lashes. We'll work our way around the spindle. The makeup brush holders for $5. The brush cleaners, iPads for $3. Little scrubbers. I know my store recently got many new pallets in, so they're working on putting out their new items for the week. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just spotted some more new faux Crocs, you guys. And they're really textured, like crocodiles. Are you guys ready? We'll look at the other little rounder in just a second, but I have to show you guys because they're so cute. Look at these. Aww. Look at that. So cute. And the blue ones. And we have black. These are all youth sizes. The price tag says $35. 35 bucks. We still have our basic black, gray. Ooh, I like the gray. Has anyone tried any of these from Five Below? If you have, share in the comments how well you like them. Are they sturdy? Do you like them? Have they been lasting? Share everything about them in the comments. These are all just $5. Sweatshirts, little lounge pants. Ooh, these are so cute. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing more and more cute stuff. Like, I want to show you this, but then like at the same time, I want to show you this too. Because these are really, really cute. Look at these. Look at these pandas, and it's the last pair here. Those are really cute. But over here, we have the sort of like UGG style toe out slipper in cream. We also have pink over here. This is what the bottom looks like. And then we have the little soft shorts, the tops. They're all V-neck. We have this blue, like everything is so soft. We have even more self-care items here. Huge bottles of Dove body wash for $5. This one has avocado oil and calendula extract. We have Crest mouthwash for $5. That's the Pro Health Intense Fresh Mint. We have even more body wash here. Q-tips, scrubbies, face care, more shampoo. This is definitely a brand new Carmex for $2.25, limited edition. And over here we have Febreze, we have Thai Orchid, Lenore Gold Orchid scent, apple scent, and we have, what's this one? Crocus and Bluebell. These are $5. We have foaming glass cleaner, Clorox, Kleenex. Over here, even more soft loungy things. The little tanks, we have a light pink, gray, we have stripes, and more of the super cute UGG-like kind of loungy slippers. Again, this is by the brand Soulmates. I would suggest trying them on if you can, but most likely you're gonna need to get about a size bigger. And then we have even more items over here. These are like super cute, padded and lacy little sports bras. We just have a lot of soft, loungy items. Like, they're super soft. More tanks, bike shorts. No, these aren't bike shorts. These are actually camis. Let's go back and see if we have any more tees. Any new tees? Okay, here is the tee wall. The tee wall. Mustang. Sometimes you just have to look up here. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm probably gonna film one more video in here. I'm just gonna see what else I can find that's new, but you guys know you have to head out to Five Below at least once a week. Five Below once a week, Dollar Tree once a week. You have to see what's new for the week because they're always adding new items and always putting new items on sale and putting new items on clearance, like stuff that's really relevant for right now. Like right now, you know, the stores are always ahead by some months. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.